Guangzhou Prodigy Daily-Production Company Limited is established in year 2004, which located in Nansha District, Guangzhou City, with convenience transportation. Our company has obtained BSCI, SEDEX, and ISO 9001 certificates. We are specialized in household items like hooks, baby safety products, hook and loop, furniture protectors, and bathroom accessories. We are strong at molding, design, plastic injection, gluing, cutting, punching, packaging, assembly, quality inspection. Our products have already gained international approvals with REACH, PAS, EN71, ROSE. For 14 years, we have been respected as a gold manufacturer and supplier by our customers both at home and abroad. We are proud of our all-in-one production system. All our products are manufactured with strict procedures. We have professional R&D team and technology, advanced production management concept, and senior experts engaged in product development. With over 6,000 square meters workshop and 99 skillful staff, we have confidence in the production capacity you may concern. Your OEM or ODM orders are welcome. So far, we have worked for many importers and retail shops worldwide, 115 countries. We are keen to expand our business to more worldwide countries. We are ready to offer the excellent solution for you and confident to be one of your great partners in China. Please feel free to tell us what you need.
We are professional manufacturer and exporter of more than 14 years experience on OEM and ODM service. Prodigy has audit of BSCI, SMETA 4-pillar, and ISO 9001. We are confident to be one of your best suppliers to help you success your business.
Talk to us. Meet your needs. Thank you.